Yo, what's going on, my football heads, my degens, and my fellow NFT collectors? It's your bromy, the Gale, back at it again with another Draftkings Reignmakers video. So, as you can see, we're in the middle of a tournament right here, but in this video, I want to open up a few packs that I won last night in other tournaments. See what cards I got, and then I want to check out the prices that they are worth in the marketplace, and perhaps talk a little strategy and whatnot. So without any ado, let's breeze into it. Okay, so this is one of the core prizes that I won in a free to enter tournament yesterday. So let's open this pack and see what we get. This is a core pack. Only one card is going to come out of here. And, ooh, looks like we got a rare, which is pretty rare because this is a common pack. And we got kicker Robbie Gold. Nice. Fellow Bear member. Not too bad. I'll take a rare card. And I think I'm going to need kickers in the weeks to come. So, yeah, let's get the next one going. All right, so this is another common core pack that I won yesterday in a tournament. Let's check it out, see what we got. Come on. Okay, so we got a core common. Trevon Diggs looks like a defensive player, double digit though. That's pretty cool for Dallas. Not bad. I think I'm going to need defense in the future, so we'll take that. And then let's open up this rare pack and see what is in store. Okay, we got a chance at an elite card. We got a little chance. Okay, let's open this thing, see what we got. Open pack. Nice little animation. Gotta love the pack animations. Degen life. Life of the Degen. We love it. And we got a rare. We'll take it. What we got? Yes, sir. We got Kirk Cousins, a quarterback. We'll take that. That's love right there. That's a win. Okay, so we are now in the marketplace of the Reignmakers section. So we're gonna type in gold for Robbie Gold, and we're gonna look for the rare card. That's the Genesis rare card. There it is, the prize set. Okay, so I won a $99 card from a free to enter tournament by owning NFT cards. So this is the card that I have, and the floor is 99. So that's a win. I think that's the price of a rare pack as well. So very cool. There's only one listing. It's a double digit. So very exclusive card. I don't know how many people are holding. Oh, okay. There it says 9 owners. So there's 9 owners, and there's only one listed. So that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's go back to the search bar and look up the Kirk Cousins rare. I want to see what they talking about. Quarterbacks are pretty good. You definitely want a quarterback. So the Genesis is 150, the booster is 98, and the momentum is 102. Where are we at? Oh, nice. So the Kirk Cousins prize set rare is 150. That's the one I got because I won it in a tournament. So there are currently 10 owners, and there's only 2 listed. So once again, I got a pretty good, pretty cool card. I mean, a pretty good card. And let's see, 9/12. Today's the 12th. So somebody bought one of these for 200, and another person bought one for 150. So what's awesome is you can see the sales data, sales transactions. Oh, nice. So down here you can see that I received number 22 at 9:06 in the morning. Shout out to the blockchain, man. Shout out to the blockchain. This. Okay, I tried clicking on it. I guess it won't let me do it. Let me try it again. See what comes up. But yeah, that's the cool thing about the blockchain, man. Oh, nice. So if you click on it, it takes you right to my players. That's interesting. I'm still learning this. I just found out about this. I'm still learning. So But I got number 22 out of 120, and there's only 10 owners. So we'll see how that plays out. So there's supposed to be a snapshot tomorrow on the 13th at 10 a.m. And I do believe they are going to be burning some old packs. So I might be the only one of 10 owners of this card. So that is also going to be an interesting thing when it happens. Okay, so I mentioned that there will be a snapshot today. So I want to show you how to check your rankings. So you go to Reignmakers Football, you see that tab, click on that, wait for it to come up. This is the Draftkings app, by the way. So we're going to click on Home in the top tab, and then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to keep scrolling down until we see the latest announcements. And we're going to scroll to the right where it says franchise score, leaderboards, and scoring details are here. We're going to click on that and wait for it to load up. And it'll show you your franchise score as well as your rank out of, I guess, all the players currently. So we're going to wait for that to load up. So my franchise score is 144.43 and my rank is 4,788. So basically this whole program has a ranking system, and it goes off of the cards that you own. So you can see that each rarity gives you a certain base point. Each card type gives you a certain multiplier. So a Genesis card gives you 5x, so it's pretty cool. So basically you're gonna get ranked for every card that you buy and win in packs, and it's also gonna help you get airdrops. So as you can see, if we scroll down here, momentum pack airdrop snapshot on the 13th, which is today, top 25,000 overall scores are gonna get a free pack, and if you have over 25 franchise scores, you're also gonna get a single card core pack. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. So they're rewarding early collectors, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So with that, let's move on. Okay, so now for a bit of strategy. Let's go to my contest, and these are my two contests for tonight. The game just ended, so let's click in here and talk about it for a little bit. See what's going on. Okay, so in this contest, there were 600 packs that could have been won. Top 100 wins a rare pack, and the rest of the 500 wins a regular pack. So I'm ranked 23, so I secured a rare pack with my team here, and my other team got 438 place. So I snuck in there with a crazy team. I got a defense and a kicker in there, and somehow it still won a pack. So like I said, contest selection. I seen that there was a total of 600 prizes and only 862 entries. So the odds of me winning something was pretty good because I know what I'm doing, and I'm sure there's a few casual people in here. So my odds were not too shabby. So I got 2 more packs, and who knows what cards can come out of those packs. So let's back up out of here real quick. Go back into the Reignmakers. Go to the lobby and talk about the next upcoming contest real quick. So the next football game is on Thursday. I believe it's the Kansas City versus the Chargers. Should be a good game. So here's the contests for the core cards. These are basically the common cards. So what I'm looking for when I'm entering a contest is how many entries can people enter, right? So this top one, you can enter only 1 entry per person. The second one, you can enter 100 entries. And this one is a 3 max. So first I'm looking at the entries, and then I'm looking at the prizes, right? I want to see what kind of prizes that I want to win. And yeah, and basically I want to see how many people have already entered. So those are the 3 things that I look at, and I just want to increase my odds, right? So I don't really want to enter a contest where people can enter 100 entries. Not that many people are doing that because it takes a lot of money to do that. But yeah, I'm just trying to maximize my odds. So I really like single entries because basically you're forced to put in your best lineup, and that's that. You're just fighting with everybody who, put in their lineup and hope it's the best one. So yeah, I mean, that's basically contest selection in a nutshell. Let me click on this top contest real quick, see what they're talking about. I want to take a look at these prizes real quick. If it loads up. Come on, there we go. So if we click on the details at the top, oh, this is a rare. Wait a minute. Hold on, I think this is a different kind of contest. This is a Thursday through Monday. This is a different type of contest. So first place wins 1,000, and yeah, you got a good chance of winning something in this contest here. This is the payout structure. This is a Thursday through Monday. That's interesting. Starter pack special. Okay, this might be a different contest. I'll have to look into that later. But anyway, I think that's all I got for you guys. I'm starting to ramble here. It's getting late. Yeah, okay, so with that, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say ever is financial advice because I am learning just like you guys. I am just your friendly neighborhood genius. Sharing his thoughts and opinions on this awesome platform known as Draftkings Reignmakers. So take everything that you hear from me with a grain of salt because things could change. And yeah, with that, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out and huddle strong, and remember to be like water, stay liquid. Later.